Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube vlog of Story of Our Life and आज हम लोग आए हैं टोरंटो में, डाउनटाउन टोरंटो में, जैसा कि आप देख रहे हो। और हम करने आए हैं हार्बर फ्रंट पे, बोट क्रूज़ करने आए हैं। और यहाँ पे हमने टिकट नहीं ली, हमने टिकट बुक करी viator.com से और बहुत ही रीज़नेबल प्राइस था। 33.20 कैनेडियन डॉलर्स था एक एडल्ट का प्राइस।
First off, I would not be your tour guide. But much more importantly, rather than all of these beautiful condos, you would have found factories, warehouses, and slaughterhouses. Toronto used to be an industrial port city, and this is where a lot of that went back. Turns out Amsterdam already has plenty of bridges, but we did get to rename one of them, so there is still the Toronto Bridge that goes over the Amstel River. And you should recognize the bridge if you've ever seen the romantic comedy My Big Fat Greek Wedding. For the couple in that movie, Tula and Ian shared what was called the Sky Dome from 1989 until 2006, because as you can see, the dome-shaped roof does in fact open up to the sky. We're very proud of this. It was the first lakes, along with Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, and Lake Erie. Together, these 5 Great Lakes make up around 20% of the entire world's freshwater supply. They were formed around 12,000 years ago at the end of the last ice age, as the glaciers were receding north over the river. And this is where Toronto's industrial history really begins. By the mid-19th century, with the Industrial Revolution in full swing, Toronto became a very important railway hub, connecting Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and Western Ontario, specialized in agricultural products. So we would get trainloads of wheat, barley, corn, even cattle arriving here into the city. It is still technically a separate city, and its population of just over 700,000 people makes it the 12th largest in the country. And then that skyline a bit closer to us is our borough of Etobicoke. We have 6 boroughs in the city, which is why our nickname is the 6. The borough of Etobicoke has a population of 1. Because of the cormorants. They spend most of their day drying off their feathers in the trees, and since they're spending so much time up there, they are inevitably relieving themselves, and their guano is incredibly toxic. Not real. It was a mechanical alligator brought here to film a movie called Police Academy 5. Now, a lot of that movie takes place in the Florida Everglades, but one of the main issues with filming there is the abundance of real alligators. So the producers of the movie took one look at this area and they thought it belongs to them. And the government agreed and actually gave them just under $200 million to drop their claim so that we could hold on to this. Now, this wasn't a great solution, because here we are assigning monetary value to some of the most sacred territory for a group of people who don't even believe in the concept of land ownership. They see the land as a sentient being, one with which we should coexist, and one with which we have a reciprocal relationship. If you take care of the land will take care of you. When the land has time, please feel free to keep those to yourself. I don't want to chat. Just kidding, of course. More than happy.
और अब हम आ गए हैं वापस हमारे पोर्ट पे, टोरंटो डाउनटाउन में, जहाँ से हम बोट पे बैठे थे। बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत पीसफुल था, बहुत सूदिंग था, अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस था, अफोर्डेबल प्राइस में। टाइम आ गया है अब घर चलने का, तो मिलता हूँ आपसे अगले व्लॉग में। तब तक के लिए बने रहें और मेक श्योर यू फॉलो स्टोरी ऑफ आवर लाइफ चैनल ऑन यूट्यूब, और आप इंस्टाग्राम पे भी हमें सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, फॉलो कर सकते हैं। मेक श्योर यू हिट द लाइक बटन ऑफ द वीडियो एंड शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स हु वांट टू विजिट टोरंटो हार्बर फ्रंट।